Did you know that over 80% of self-made millionaires practice frugal living as a key to their success? Yes, not splurging, but saving and being smart about money is what paved their way to wealth. So, if you've ever wondered, how can I get rich with my smart decisions? Then this video is for you. Wealth isn't about luck. Small changes, your daily decisions and your habits could lead you to financial freedom. Stick around till the end, and you'll discover 10 frugal rules that can transform your life and set you on the path to wealth. Subscribe the Wealthy channel, and let's dive in. Number 1. Never pay interest. Paying interest is like throwing your hard-earned money into a black hole. Many people treat interest as a necessary evil, piling up loans for flashy gadgets or quick comforts. Buying a car on a loan or funding a lifestyle on credit feels easy, but it's a wealth trap that robs your future. Are you building their empire or yours? Pay off high-interest debt aggressively. Prioritize needs over wants and adopt the delay gratification principle. Start manifesting the freedom of living without EMIs. Channel those payments into SIPs, stocks, or a business venture. When you avoid paying interest, you free up cash to invest in you. Number 2. Tell your money where to go. Let's talk about control. Would you get on a bus with no idea where it's going? Of course not. Then why let your money wander aimlessly? Budgeting is like giving every dollar a purpose. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. You need a budget can make it super simple. With a budget, you don't just survive, you thrive. And it's easier than you think. Start small and track your expenses for a month. Number 3. Pay in cash. Paying cash is a forgotten art in a world ruled by credit cards and buy now, pay later schemes. You walk into a store with $500 in cash for a new gadget. You feel the weight of every dollar leaving your hand. Compare that to swiping a credit card. It feels painless, right? That's the trap. People live on borrowed money, mistaking affordability for wealth. Shift to a cash-only mindset for non-essential purchases. Set a cash budget for entertainment, shopping, and dining. This approach creates discipline, builds awareness of your financial limits, and stops you from overspending. When you pay cash, you're choosing ownership over obligations. Stop letting convenience bury your financial freedom. Number 4. Don't go for trendy fashion. Chasing trendy fashion is like running on a financial treadmill. You spend endlessly but never truly arrive. As Rachel Cruz highlights in Love Your Life, Not Theirs, we buy things we don't need with money we don't have to impress people we don't even like. People treat fashion as a status symbol, believing their worth is tied to their wardrobe. This mindset leads to impulsive shopping, credit card debt, and the frustration of constantly needing more. Adopt a minimalist wardrobe philosophy. Invest in high-quality basics, pieces that never go out of style. Break free from the consumer trap and start dressing smart, both financially and stylistically. True wealth is quiet. Let your actions speak louder than your outfit. Number 5. The recipe for savings. Cook at home. Dining out may feel like a quick solution or a treat, but it's a silent money drain. People spend thousands annually eating out without realizing its impact on their finances. Cooking at home isn't just about saving money. It's about reclaiming control over your finances, health, and time. Plus, the habit compounds. The money saved on meals can be invested, creating wealth over time. Learn budget-friendly recipes that are both nutritious and easy to prepare. Treat cooking as a creative activity, not a chore. As shared in The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins, cutting expenses is the most accessible way to build wealth. Number 6. Prioritize needs over wants. Chasing wants over needs is a trap that keeps you poor, not happy. Don't confuse wants with needs, splurging on non-essentials like fancy gadgets, premium subscriptions, or impulsive shopping. Every dollar spent on unnecessary items is a missed opportunity to invest in your dreams. Imagine someone buying a $1,000 designer bag but struggling to pay rent. It's not wealth, it's misplaced priorities. When you prioritize needs over wants, you set the stage for financial security and long-term growth, avoiding the debt-fueled lifestyle that keeps most people broke. Number 7. Set it and forget it. Automate finances. Have you ever missed a bill payment and faced penalties? Automation can save you time and stress. Automating your savings, investments, and bill payments means you don't have to rely on willpower or mood. Your money works on autopilot. Without automation, most people end up overspending, missing savings goals, or failing to invest consistently. As Ramit Sethi writes in I Will Teach You to Be Rich, when you automate your finances, you set yourself up to succeed. Ask yourself, are you controlling your money or is your money controlling you? Automate today, and you'll set yourself up for a life of freedom tomorrow, without even thinking about it. Number 8, balance today and tomorrow. What I mean here is, saving for the future is crucial, but it shouldn't mean sacrificing all the joy of today. Too many people take a rigid, all-or-nothing approach to their finances, obsessively cutting out every small luxury only to burn out. Frugality is not about deprivation, but about focusing your spending on what really matters. Yes, saving is important, but if you're depriving yourself of all the small pleasures in life, adopt a balanced approach to saving. Set aside a percentage of your income for future goals, whether that's retirement, emergency savings, or investments, while also budgeting for enjoyment today. Number 9, don't let marketers take away. People often believe they're being financially savvy by grabbing deals or discounts, only to end up with things they don't need. Marketers are experts in convincing you to buy things that don't align with your true needs. People often make purchases because they're swayed by advertisements, deals, or the fear of missing out. The impact? A cluttered home, a drained bank account, and no long-term wealth. Become aware of marketing tactics. Whenever you're about to buy something, pause and ask yourself, do I need this? Is it an impulse buy? Practice delayed gratification. Take control of your spending and reduce your exposure to advertising. Number 10, save for freedom, not just for retirement. Ask yourself, do you want to keep working endlessly, or do you want the freedom to choose how you spend your time? Saving for freedom gives you power, power to choose, power to live. And when you're truly free, you can build wealth on your terms, not on anyone else's. Don't save for retirement. Save for the freedom to live life today. Focus on building streams of passive income and investing in assets that grow over time. Start small, but think big. I know that success comes from consistent learning. In every video, try to give the best value. If this video gave you new insights, like it, share it, and subscribe to continue building wealth with me. Remember, wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow. Thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.